This is the story, The Watchful Puppy. Let's read together. Today, Mommy is away from home. She tells Puppy to watch the house. Puppy doesn't dare to wander or to chase bees and butterflies. He sees the slim chicken sneaking in the garden for vegetables. Woof, woof, Puppy barks. Stop it now, chicken! Knowing Puppy is small, the old rat laughs out loud. He's too small to scare anyone. I'll go to the granary and steal some rice. Raising his ears, Puppy hears this. By the granary, he waits right there, and when the rat comes in, little Puppy chases him away. Meow, meow, Kitten cries. Puppy comforts her. Don't cry, little kitty. Mommy's coming home with fish. A stranger says hi. Puppy tells his brothers to shut the doors immediately. Hearing the story, Mommy hugs him and smiles. My child has grown up and does so many good things. Little Puppy smiles in joy. In a circle, he runs and runs. In the garden of green leaves, flowers are blooming.